This is Christina Nichols with Nichols Genuine Philanthropic Solutions, and I'm here today to talk about fiscal year end or mid-year campaigns with you. I'm currently working on a couple for clients, and I wanted to share some of the thoughts that I have when I'm sitting down to work with my clients on their appeals at this time of year. So the first reason that we send out an appeal at this time of year is obviously to connect with our donors. And if we've been doing a great job, this isn't the first time they've heard from us, and hopefully that they've heard from us for reasons other than requesting financial support. The other is to remind them that we're here. We so often put so much energy and effort into that calendar year end time that people sort of forget that either A, we care, that they care, or that we even exist, as sad as that is. So depending upon how philanthropic a household is, they may have many organizations that they support. And so reminding them that we exist and that we're doing great work is really important at this time of year. Obviously, to ask for financial support of a mission is really critical. Also, it's a time of year when people, whether it's because of spring and they've just found your calendar year-end appeal while spring cleaning, or summertime, or graduation, or just that kind of rite of passage time, it is a time that really does feel like there's a lot of renewal and regrowth. So it's a great chance to message in a way that shows how your organization's mission is moving the lives of those you impact forward. So always with appeals, we're looking at testing. Depending upon where you are with your budget at this time of year, you either have some resources to spend or you really need to be intentional with the way you spend them. And also, how are you going to connect all of your channels together? Hopefully over the course of the year you've acquired a few new channels or new technologies to use, and so it's a fun time to kind of tie it all together. Also segmentation. Sometimes segmentation doesn't really need to be done outside of have you given or not, and how are you giving you a message that way. But when you're really trying to clean up at the end of the year, which hopefully you've been cleaning up all year, but as you're really looking at those who you need to retain or reacquire at the end of the fiscal year or mid-year, it's a great time to dig into the data, see where people were first acquired or where they last gave their gift, and see if getting them in the hook with that is helpful. So thanks so much for listening to What's on the Whiteboard. I hope you're having a great day. Happy springtime, and talk with you soon.